Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Turbis Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 LDV G10 SV7C van. Stock reference number 4100. This shape runs from the 4th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a 20L4E, 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 20L4E, 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the interior and the front as well as the left hand side. We have the bonnet, has a couple of small dents, still may be repairable. Radiator grille, left hand headlight, a few scratches. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one large dent. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre. We have the left tail light. Right hand tailgate garnish, rear wiper motor, high level stoplight, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Unfortunately, this vehicle has had a paint spill and has paint all over the interior. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.